Guys, welcome back to the video. This is Stan Thomas with you all, and thank you so much for clicking onto the video because this video is after a long time. And you guys saw something weird. The beginning of this video is actually another pond which is remolded from a fridge. So it is similar to the old fridge actually. So just see the clear vision of the fridge now. Hope you guys had a clear vision of it. So this fridge is actually similar to the old one. So I thought of locating this one in a different place and to put some different fishes into it. So let's do that later on. And thank you so much for watching this until now. And thank you for all my subscribers who are sticking on with me and watching my videos. Thank you so much. Please leave some comment down below. And that's a rooster. And thank you guys. I'm just surfing on some contents, so I'll be getting some contents rally, so I may upload some different contents in the future. Peace out, love you all, stay safe. Rooster.